we'll guide you through how to make text fill with color in PowerPoint. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Microsoft PowerPoint on your device. Next, select Blank Presentation in your Microsoft PowerPoint. Then, click the Create button on the bottom left corner. After that, select a layout and choose the blank option. Go to the Insert tab, and in the next step, click Text Box. Click on the slide to place the text box and type anything you want. For example, how to make text fill with color in PowerPoint. Next, go to the Home tab to customize the text. Select the drop-down arrow in the Font menu and choose any font you want. Then, select the drop-down arrow for font size and choose any size you need. After that, adjust the position of the text according to your needs. Then you can design the text box by clicking its edge and going to Shape Format. If you want to recolor the text, click the drop-down arrow in Text Fill and choose any solid color you like. If you want a gradient version, click the drop-down arrow in Text Fill again. Select Gradient and choose More Gradient. Then click Gradient Fill. Select Preset Gradients and choose any variant you like. Next, select the type and choose any gradient style you prefer. If the direction option is available, you can choose a variant as well. You can also change any gradient stop color if you want. After that, adjust the transparency according to your liking. Then adjust the brightness based on your preference. Take your time to preview the changes on your slide and make sure the colors look balanced and clear. If needed, repeat the steps to refine the appearance until it matches your desired style. Make sure the text remains easy to read after applying colors or gradients. You can slightly reposition the text box again if the design affects alignment. Finally, review your slide carefully to ensure everything appears consistent and visually appealing. This method helps you understand how text fill options work and allows you to create more engaging presentations. With practice, you will improve your design skills over time. You can experiment with different color combinations and gradient settings to match your presentation theme and purpose.